Step on the resistance band with one of your feet, but put your foot forward, okay? Every set, alternate feet. So this set, she's using her right foot. So I want most of the pressure of your body in your front foot. You're going to bend both knees though. Shoulders are back and down, chest up. You're going to hold it nice and strong. Don't let your wrists move around. Keep it tight. You want your elbows inward. You want your elbows lined up with your shoulders. Now, she's going to lock out her arms all the way up, blowing out. Breathe in on the way down, come till right there, till your elbow meets your shoulder. So see, her elbow just got lined up with her shoulder. Now she's going to pop it up. Through the set, make sure your elbows are inward. They're going to want to move around. Okay, got to keep it tight, got to keep those elbows inward. Abs are tight, she's not moving back and forth. Knees are bent, but she's not swaying. And everything is all lined up if you look at it. Look at her neck, she's looking straight.